Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your Watch 8 Ultra Smartwatch to your smartphone using the Fitpro application. First step, open your Play Store and search and install the Fitpro application. Next step, turn on Bluetooth and location on your smartphone. Open the Fitpro application on your smartphone and click on Set. Now click on Bind Devices. Your smartphone will look for the smartwatch. Once you see the smartwatch on your phone, click on it and allow the watch to connect to your phone. As you can see, the watch has been connected to the phone and the time and date have been updated automatically. Here is how to change the wallpaper to your own picture on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.